The process of work order quotes can start from the maintenance request. You can select the item and then just create maintenance requests. Select the request type. Quote can be created only for the service request type. Later, select the customer who will be invoiced based on our quote. Please put the description and create the maintenance request. If the request is valid, we can go and create this work order quote based on that. When the quote is created, select the category code. You can see the customer is already assigned. Then put the instruction for the technician who will be later on doing the work. Select the type of work needs to be done based on our quote and estimate the hours. Please select the spare parts if you need to use them. As you can see, both of the prices are added from the sales price list. The quote can be also created for the fixed price. If you already discussed with your client about the price of working, you can fill it in. The work order quote can be sent to your customer via email. You can see the template of this email is already created and the attachment is also added to the email. If the customer approves the price, you can create the work order. Put the description of the work. Then send your documents for the technician to prepare the work. You can assign the person who would be responsible to fill in the contract. Then we can check all of the prices. We can see the fixed price is moved from the quote. When the work is done, you can close and post our work order. Based on our work order, later on you can create a sales invoice. You need to select the period, and then you can filter by the customer. By approving the selection, you create the sales order. As you can see, all the information from our work order quote is also moved into the invoice. When the document is ready, you can simply post it. We can see this posted sales invoice. The invoice can be sent to the customer and the work is done.